everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited. We're taking a look at a small couples travel trailer that it's entry level, but it's a Grand Design entry level. This is the 2021 Grand Design Transcend model 240 ML. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features, then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about this travel trailer and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from MattsRVReviews, Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you the true and biased review about everything when it comes to travel trailers, fifth wheels, and toy haulers. And again, today I am super excited to be taking a look at this 240 ML middle living room travel trailer from Grand Design. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Hey Will!
Hey guys!
How's it going?
Pretty good. It's a beautiful day out here in Ohio.
Yep.
We're still out here filming, and the weather's just been a lot better than we expected.
Absolutely.
And this is an entry-level travel trailer.
It's better than expected.
Yeah, I mean, but it's a Grand Design entry level. It's beautiful, especially for an entry level.
Yep, absolutely. I think you guys are going to be surprising and shocked, and I'm just super excited to show it to you. Let's begin.
Okay.
Model is 240 ML, but the actual tip-to-tip length of this travel trailer is 29 feet 9 inches. Dry weight is 6,154 pounds. And Will, the hitch weight?
598 pounds.
Always remember, you want to get weight distribution bars. Doesn't matter what the travel trailer is.
Yep.
Up front here, power tongue jack. Again, yes, this is entry level, but it's the way Grand Design does it. So they're not going to shortcut on certain things. Power tongue jack, I love that to get this on and off your truck. Right here's where 2 20-pound propane tanks go. You can get 2 30 pounds for an upgrade. And then right down there is where the batteries go. Check out this aluminum right here, Will. Looks clean, it looks crisp. I love the black, white, and gray silver action. Transcend.
Yeah,
it's awesome.
very nice.
Black diamond plate rock guard there as well. Very, very nice. Coming down the side here, it is aluminum corrugated sides with wood framing, okay? And look how big these spaces are. This is probably 8 inches spacing. And the less aluminum like this, the higher the quality it is. And it just looks great, and it's still sleek and everything. Look at that nice pass-through storage. Very nice. Coming down the side here, here's where you fill up our potable water. Potable. Power awning, nice huge power awning with LED lights. And I love how there's no slide outs on this side. And then check this out. The black tires right there. And then look at this, Will. The solid steps. Remember last Transcend, they didn't have this? But I bet you, this is the only Transcend with this. Do you know why? Because the door's right above the axles.
Oh.
So check this out, y'all. With these new steps, it's open up new floor plans like this one, because you can put the steps or the door where the axle is, where normally those fold-up steps, you need it to have a place underneath.
That's right.
And then right here is your water heater. Also, because this is a Grand Design, you have the 3-year limited warranty. And speaker right there. Coming around the back, we have a nice bumper for your Stinky Slinky. That's a license plate.
That sure is.
Is this sold? I don't think it's sold. It's still on the website. Nice light bumper for your Stinky Slinky. Spare tire carrier right there. Furrion Prep backup camera. Also, we do have a ladder to get up on the roof. Let's go up there and take a look. You didn't see anything on the inside, did you?
No.
Neither did I. Up here on the roof, you can see it's a nice one-piece TPO roof. 1 air conditioning unit. It is a small travel trailer. Openings for your Max Air fans. And then right there's your wine guard digital antenna. Great, and if you haven't already, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. One of the RV salesmen's gonna take his fat ass up on a unit. Show you what features the roof has to offer.
Nobody.
Nobody. Finishing up, right there's a black tank flush. Love it. Here's where you plug in your 30 amp power. Right there. We didn't touch on it. It is manual stabilizing jacks right there. And then that's where you dump one of your gray, no, that's where you dump your black and gray tank right there. Almost at a horrible position, but not quite. Cool, finishing up is just the other side of the storage right here. Oh, here's your water fill up and everything. Cable hookup, battery disconnect, and everything. Well, the outside of this travel trailer looks great, but the inside is a floor plan design that I've never seen before. Let's go take a look.
All right.
Have you ever seen a floor plan like this?
I don't think so.
Neither have I.
All right, we'll start up front. Got a bedroom here. Dining area there.
So
And
interesting.
the living area.
Oh, okay. So
The
it's like a
kitchen.
double kitchen. Double kitchen.
And the bathroom.
Feel my eyes with this double kitchen. It's for all my viewers. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Do you know that song?
No.
Double Vision?
No.
You're a young man. You're a young man, Will. Okay, well, I don't even know the original song either. Up front here in the bedroom area, queen size bed. Storage all around. Decent size bedroom for a small travel trailer.
It is, yeah.
You hit the light switch or something.
Oh, did I? Yep, right there.
Right over here is where you put the TV. And then look at how big and wide this door is.
This is nice, yeah.
It makes it so if I have this door open, I don't feel so enclosed and claustrophobic. Right. It is pretty nice. And then, yep, we do have storage underneath the bed right there. Inside the living area, we have this nice Thomas Paine collection. Very nice. You have these privacy blinds right here. Very comfortable sofa, very comfortable. This is the reclining sofa, just like this. And one of the features, got cup holders, remote holders. And one of the best features about this theater seating, Will, especially in a small travel trailer like this, is look at the TV placement.
I am.
That's incredible.
That is.
You don't get that on small travel trailers like this. You have storage above.
A little radio and
DVD player.
And it does have Bluetooth and everything. Cool.
And then another very unique feature. Even though the TV is above the dinette, we did not lose the window.
Right.
Trust me, folks, I haven't seen it often. A lot of times you'll lose the window and everything, so I like that. Very nice table. It's this, what do you call this?
Live edge.
Live edge. Very nice. Comfortable dinette. The live edge is definitely unique. You know, I can
Does it give you enough room to get in?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And you?
Yeah.
Yep. It's about big boy proof. Big boy tested.
Yeah.
Big boy approved. Awesome. And then it does drop down to make a bed. And there is some storage underneath the dinette there. Well, Will, it's now time for the MSRP. MSRP on this travel trailer here is, you ready for this?
Yep.
$27,149.
Wow.
That is MSRP. Sale price, we don't have a sale price, as you can see, because it is a 2021 Grand Design. But honestly, it doesn't matter. I mean, MSRP is a good price. You won't pay MSRP, but you will get a phenomenal price. But this makes this a great price travel trailer. And Will?
Yep.
We have 3 ways everybody can get the best price in America.
That's right.
You ready for me to explain them?
Yeah.
Go to MattsRVReviews.com. Go to the contact form. You will see 3 boxes, okay? Box number 1 takes you to General RV to fill out a form. If you're ready to buy and you're ready to talk turkey, Go to that box, fill it out. You'll then get a $500 coupon emailed to you from me, and somebody from my team will call you to get you the best price
in America.
Option number 2, if you're not quite ready to buy and you just have questions and you need an opinion from either Will or myself, click that second box and then let us know if you want us to call you, text you, email you, or FaceTime you, and then either Will or myself will reach out to you to help you along your journey of a purchase. And then if you're not ready to buy, that's not a big deal. Just click that third box and we will answer you. We just don't answer you ASAP. Because, you know, we gotta answer the people who are ready to buy. But we will get to absolutely each and every person. Also, you can join us on our Facebook group, Club Art Deco. And that's just like being friends with me, Will, and Andrea.
That's right.
Will, that's all they gotta do. Let's continue the video.
All right.
We're getting better at that.
That's right.
Here we go now.
All right, we'll start over here. We got a nice two-way refrigerator here.
Runs off both propane and electric.
That's right.
Look at that. Doggy nope.
Nope. Just a little storage there for your cookie sheets or whatever.
Let's check this out here.
Okay. I guess you
pantry.
Use this as pantry or whatever kind of storage, really.
Yeah, wardrobe. Wow, that's actually pretty big and deep.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that.
Yeah, pretty big and deep.
Yeah. Little shelf right there. And then some drawers. I'm gonna do this too.
And then look at that. Yeah, very cool.
More drawers here, and then, you know, take your shoes off or whatever. Put them there.
Very nice.
All right. Storage up above here on both sides of the microwave. Just a regular microwave. You got a nice hood range here. You know, again, entry-level motor or entry-level travel trailer, you're not going to get solid surface. But you do have a 3-burner with a glass top Furrion stovetop.
Yep.
And you still get the lights.
Ooh. Good oven.
And then an oven right there. Storage right here. Drawers right here. And then one more down below.
Awesome.
And in case you couldn't see, you do have a plug right there.
Nice. And then look at this, like a second kitchen area.
Right.
So
for
cool.
a smaller, you know, it's under 30 feet.
Yeah.
Travel trailer, entry level. You have a lot of storage here.
I've never seen one like it.
Yep.
It is absolutely fantastic.
So that's your storage up top. Nice single bowl sink. Drawers.
Yep. Storage.
And storage. A little more storage.
Yep.
And a little, little pocket for you to put sponge or whatever.
Wow.
Drawers.
2, 3, and 4. Wow, very nice.
That's right.
And we'll just do a 360 or a 180.
All right.
And it's now time for the tall test.
You ready?
Yep.
All right. I don't think I can pass it on the tall side.
It's okay because it's a really big shower.
It is, yeah. If it was just a little taller, it'd be perfect. You know, again, entry-level trailer. I could make it work.
Yep,
so if
for
you're,
sure.
you know, even an inch or two shorter than me, you're probably going to be fine.
Yep.
But it is a little tight for me.
Yep. No big deal. We got that. Your sink here. Medicine cabinet. Okay. And a little storage underneath there. It's now time for the toilet test.
I feel like that's a good placement. Not really too tight.
No, my leg's hitting this.
Oh. Is it kind of like the shower? Like it's 1 inch?
Totally doable.
Yeah. It's a doable pooable.
It's a doable pooable. I'm not going to give it the prime poop position, but I'm not going to not give it a prime pooping position. It is like on that 50. That's where it is. Yeah. I mean, like, I could definitely, yeah, it's just different. Yep. It's just different. That's all, folks. It's just different. Well, that's it. That's the review. Now, before everybody leaves, it's now time we give you 3 things we love about this travel trailer and 3 things we dislike about it. Will, what do we do first?
3 things we dislike?
That's going to be very tough.
Okay.
Do you have one?
I have one, yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. All right, and this could be a personal dislike because honestly, I run into this with houses too. This countertop is really low.
For you?
For me, yeah.
Yep.
And maybe it's not for other people, but this wouldn't really be fun for me to cook in.
Yeah, no, great point.
You know,
great point. The elevate,
a little bit better, but this is definitely too.
It's kind of like missing just that inch again. You know?
That's right.
Okay, so that's one. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Number 2. This is very weird. You know what? Here's what I'm gonna say. One, I wish there was shelving in here, right?
Yeah.
But number 2 and number 3 is I'm going to combo, okay? So number 3 is that bathroom, right?
Yeah.
Whereas number 2, if this, look how big and deep this is. If this wasn't as big as deep, you could make the bathroom a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
And better, and then everything would have passed.
Definitely.
So that's like a 2-3 combo, for sure. Great, so that's 3 things we don't like about it. Now it's time for 3 things we love about this travel trailer.
I think that was only 2 things you disliked.
No, it was a 2-3 combo.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Like one's like everything's missing from the bath. This is number 2.
And
the bathroom's number 3.
Okay.
And if you made number 2 smaller, that fixes number 3.
Yep.
That's why I call it a 2-3 combo, Will. It's like a 2-3 combo. No, so that's 3 things. Now it's time for 3 things we love about it. I'm gonna go first. I absolutely love this theater seat in an entry-level travel trailer. This is the Thomas Paine collection. It is so comfortable, and I love how it's like a social circle with the dinette, and I love the TV placement. I think it is absolutely fantastic. So
definitely.
That's one.
Yeah.
Oh, and do you want a real number 3? I don't like these blinds.
Okay.
There you go. So that's 1. 2.
All right, this is small, but I actually really like this little cubby thing here.
It's the little stuff. Yes, sir.
It is. You know, when you come in with your shoe, I mean, it's easy to get a travel trailer. Anybody who owns one knows it's easy to get any sort of RV dirty quick.
Yep.
So, you know, take your shoes off there or put whatever there. It doesn't really matter, but it's just kind of cool, nice way to add some storage.
I love it. And then number 3, there's no question about it, it's this kitchen area.
Definitely.
This is unique. This is different. I have never, ever seen anything like it. It's like you got like a half kitchen here and a half kitchen here. It's like a whole kitchen. I'm like over here. I'm like doing this. I like need my coffee. It's just a great layout, floor plan, and setup, and I absolutely love it.
That's right.
Well, Will, that's it. That's the review. Thank you absolutely everybody so much for watching. If you're interested in a travel trailer like this, and you want to see what Will and I personally recommend, we'll have videos in a few seconds that show up right there. Again, any questions at all, just go to MattsRVReviews.com. We do have a link down in the description below. Go there, and that's going to be the best way to get the best price in America, or the best way to get in contact with me or Will. Will, do you have anything you want to say?
Sure.
Talk to me.
All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Definitely leave in the comments below 3 things you like and dislike. Grand Design's a newer company. Definitely open to feedback. We'll be watching the video, listening to the comments, or reading the comments. So let them know.
Well, they're not that new, Will.
Newer? Like
I mean,
what?
Like almost 10 years.
Has it been that long?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Yeah. Let Will know what Grand Design's all about down in the comments below. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Make sure you check out one of these videos, and we'll see you next time.